Mark Fitzsimons. I watched The Lion King last night. It got me thinking about old childhood movies I used to love. I'm here with a couple of friends, Sam Miles, Laura Hobson and Niall Condon. Just going to ask the lads what's their favourite childhood movies.
Hi, I'm Laura. My favourite childhood movie was Labyrinth, and it's kind of mad looking back now. I didn't realise who David Bowie was at the time, but looking back and seeing him dressed up as like an elf king is kind of weird.
Cool. Now, Sam?
I don't know, I seen the film Babe about 50 times. I used to go to the cinema and pay £1 to just go to the cinema, and you didn't get to pick what it was. It was just like the kids club, and you get like, they had Babe on about 3 weeks in a row, and you'd be like, oh, not Babe again, and Jurassic Park or something like that.
Cool, no worries.
My name's Niall. I always liked the Goonies when I was young. Corey Feldman was always my favourite actor as a kid, one of the two famous Coreys. But yeah, Goonies.
Do you feel like you could relate to that movie, Niall?
Almost, if I went searching for treasure.
Okay, well, there you go. What's your favourite childhood movie? Email us here. Hit us up on Twitter. Good luck, mofos.